Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use color inversion setting on Realme phone. Friends, you don't know about color inversion, so my how to enable how to use color inversion on Realme phone. Today friends I will show you in this video guys color inversion full setting, what is color inversion and how to use it. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on guys your Realme phone accessibility setting. So where is accessibility? First of all, you will have to click on your Realme phone additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can find your accessibility setting. Friends, click on accessibility. After on accessibility friends, first is talkback. Friends, you want to on talkback, you want to use talkback setting. So friends, you can on your talkback from here guys, tap here and guys you can on your talkback. So as I will not on, then select to speak you want to on, so you can only select to speak and you can use it. Friends, click on color inversion setting. Color inversion is here, tap here and friends you want to on color inversion. So as after on guys color inversion get dark mode will on automatic on your Realme phone. And guys come back friends, you can see color inversion will show this type interface on your Realme phone. And friends, if you watch any photos and video friends, you can see screen will show this type interface. Friends, you can see skin color will totally change on your Realme phone when you will on guys your color inversion setting. So like that guys, you can on and use guys this color inversion setting on your Realme phone. And friends, if you see any photo, so friends you can see skin will show this interface. So like that guys, your skin will show. So I hope friends you understood how to on and use color correction, oh sorry guys, color inversion. And friends, you don't want to use, friends click on phone setting guys, again guys click on additional setting, accessibility setting, and guys color inversion is on, tap here to off your skin color will normal. Friends, you can see the skin color will default. You can watch videos, you can see photos without any skin color change. So like that guys, we can use color inversion on our Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Realme phone setting, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys, and before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.